and why? Again, if you would describe the best part of being young in just one word, what would it be and why?
If I could describe the best part of being young, it would be opportunity. Because this time of youth, because this time of youth is to dream, explore, and grow. Thank you.
Thank you, BDB number 4. Now let's have BDB number 6. Your supporters are still very lively and energetic. Grabe ang energy. So what can you say again to your supporters?
Thank you again to my supporters, to my love family, friends, and classmates. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much to the supporters and BDB number 6, please give a question. On the outside. But what do you think makes a young person truly beautiful inside? Again, beauty is often seen on the outside. But what do you think makes a young person